How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So if your Roblox avatar keeps showing those default clothes even after you put on your own outfit, here's the easiest way to fix it. So this usually happens because Roblox automatically adds a default shirt or pants whenever your avatar isn't wearing any clothing layers. So the goal is just to override those defaults with something custom. So the first thing you want to do is simply open Roblox, then go to your avatar editor. And make sure you're using the classic avatar view. This makes it way easier to see what's actually showing and what isn't. So if you're using RA16 or RA15, both work completely fine. So this fix actually works on both. So next, scroll to your clothing section and look for the classic shirts and classic pants. So if those categories are empty, that's exactly why you're seeing the default outfit. So Roblox doesn't let an avatar stay completely blank, so it fills it automatically. So all you need to do is simply add a classic shirt or pants. So even a transparent one is fine. There are tons of free transparent classic shirts and pants in the avatar shop. They don't break any rules, they are literally allowed, and they are the only legit way to completely cover the default outfit without Roblox forcing a design onto your avatar. So once you equip a transparent shirt and pants, the default clothing will disappear instantly. And your avatar will only show whatever body accessories, jackets, faces, or layered items you choose. If it doesn't update right away, you can just tap or click the avatar again to refresh it. Or you can also switch between RA6 and RA15 once, so that forces Roblox to refresh your look. And that's it. So the default clothes should be gone and the avatar will look exactly how you want. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.